Are you thinking about giving up on your dreams, wondering if they'll ever manifest? Or are you starting to feel like only the lucky ones manifest their dream lives? And you could be doing exactly what you should be doing. You're following the winning formula to a T that so many others have used to manifest their dreams. So why are you not seeing any results? So at this point, you feel ignored and overlooked by the universe. Well, stick around because in this video, with the help of EFT tapping, I'm going to help you get back on your feet and get you in the right frame of mind so you could stop chasing after your dreams and actually catch them. You deserve to be happy and to have your dreams come true. So let me help you. Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm an EFT master practitioner and author of the young adult fantasy series, Agents of Karma. So I understand that quite a few of you are struggling, and I get it. I have been there, and it is very disheartening. And there's nothing at all wrong with you if you get frustrated seeing other people manifest so effortlessly and you haven't. You are only human. You have to keep reminding yourself that. Do not beat yourself up, okay? But I'm here to remind you that your perception is your reality and is a direct reflection of your current thoughts and feelings. Boiled down, that means your reality is malleable, which is good news, right? Because you can change it with your thoughts and feelings. Number two, our dreams, what you want to manifest so badly, already exists. Our dreams are born in our subconscious minds, aka our inner reality. They exist already. You dreamed them into being. And number three, to get our dreams from the inner reality to manifest in the outer reality, we have one job. One job. That's to live from the end and deny the reality of our senses. I've done a video on that that I will put down below. So we are going to dive right in. We're going to go to the side of the hand and just repeat after me. Even though I'm pissed off and frustrated that I haven't manifested my dreams yet, I choose to forgive myself for feeling this way. Even though I'm sick of having to jump through constant hoops, and if I see another hurdle shoved in my path, I'm going to scream. But I choose to give myself a break for feeling this way because I'm tired. Even though I've done everything I possibly could to make my dreams manifest, and yet I'm still waiting and waiting. I choose to deeply and completely love and honor how I feel. Okay, we're going to go to the eyebrow. Like I said, you could tap on one side or both sides. The body is a mirror. Eyebrow. I'm deeply annoyed and frustrated. Side of the eye. And a tad heartbroken, if I'm being honest. Under the eye. I also feel resentment at times that others have manifested their dreams so effortlessly, but not me. I'm ready to quit because what's the point of continuing? Under the nose. I'm doing everything to make my dreams a reality, but I'm still not seeing any results. And it's disheartening and maddening. Chin. I'm so tired and frustrated. When will my dreams manifest? Better yet, why haven't they manifested? Collarbone. I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? Does the universe have something against me? Under the arm. I'm frustrated and annoyed. Wrists. All this frustration. And I'm ready to quit. What's the point of continuing on? We're going to do the gamut now. So tap on where the skin meets the nail. Just take 2 fingers. We're going to do that on each finger, okay? So we're going to start with the thumb. I'm ready to throw in the towel. Going to go with the index finger. I'm not meant to be happy. Middle finger. The universe is ignoring me for some reason. Ring finger. I'm frustrated that my dreams haven't manifested yet. little finger. All this frustration and anger. Go in between the ring finger and the little finger and just tap there. Might be sensitive. I'm so angry. Now I want you to follow my commands and do not quit tapping, okay? I want you to, and you're not going to move your head, okay? Eyes only. With your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look down at the floor, hard right. Now look down, hard left. Now look back at me. And I want you with your eyes, look up at a 12 o'clock position like a clock, and I want you to rotate clockwise, 12 to 12. All the way around. Back at 12, I want you to go counterclockwise, 12 to 12. Okay, now I want you to hum happy birthday. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hum again. Okay, top of the head. A part of me is fed up and wants to give up on my dreams. Eyebrow. Another part of me doesn't want to quit, but I can't take any more disappointment and heartache. Side of the eye. What if the disappointment, rejections, and heartache were actually blessings in disguise? Under the eye. Because they weren't right for me or in alignment with my dreams. Under the nose. What if the universe was actually looking out for me? Chin. And if that's the case, then I'm happy things didn't work out because they weren't meant to be. Collarbone. Which is proof positive that the universe is actually working behind the scenes and is ensuring everything is in order for my dreams to manifest in my outer reality. Under the arm. So in actuality, I'm closer than I realize to manifesting my dreams. I can't deny that things aren't happening in my outer reality. Wrist. And now that I have actual proof that the universe is working behind the scenes to make my dream a reality and looking out for me in the process, AKA doing their job, then I have to do my job. Top of the head. I know that dreams manifest in our subconscious minds, our inner reality, before they appear in our outer reality. So my job is to live from the end. Eyebrow. I want to put all my energy and focus on living from the end. Eyebrow. I want to let go of this frustration and anger and sadness. Under the eye. I want to get excited that I'm closer than I realize, that I have the power to make my dreams a reality. It's all up to me. I'm in control. Under the nose. I take back my power. I'm back in the game. I'm living from the end. I'm creating my new reality that involves my dreams manifesting. Chin. I choose to release the frustration and anger and instead feel excited and empowered. Collarbone. I'm excited and filled with faith. I'm in control of my dreams and my reality. I had the power to change things all along. Under the arm. I'm manifesting my dreams right now, and they're going to be even better than I imagined. Wrists. I'm back, and my dreams are mine, and I deserve to be happy and live the life that I imagined, or even better. Top of the head. I am not a quitter, and I vow to not abandon my dreams. Instead, I choose to realize that they are already mine. Eyebrow. Last round. From today on, I want to let go of the how, because it's not my job. Side of the eye. That actually makes me feel relieved. My job is the easiest, and that's to live from the end, under the eye. I'm back in the game, and I choose to feel excitement and joy and gratitude, under the nose. And I choose to honor how I have felt. But now I realize that I've been in control all along. The universe hasn't abandoned me. Chin. I release all the pain from the past and choose to feel excited and empowered and grateful. Collarbone. The universe has been looking out for me all this time and following my lead. Under the arm. I choose to see a clear path before me, and I am open to opportunities. Wrists. From here on out, I am living from the end and rejoicing that I have manifested my dreams. Top of the head. And I vow to let the universe do its job, the how, and to not interfere. Okay, press down, taking a deep breath for me. And exhale. So here's your job. Again, and it's an easy one. Remind yourself every day that your job is to live from the end and do just that. That's it. Wake up every morning envisioning what it is you want, okay? Do everything you can to surround yourself with thoughts and feelings of having already manifested it. And even if that means not sharing your dreams with others who haven't been so supportive in the past, I know that's hard to hear sometimes, but it is vital to not allow others to dampen our spirit. And also, it never hurts to have pictures of what you want around, or, quotes, or, scripting. And of course, tap every morning, noon, and night. And I'm excited for you. You do deserve to have your dreams manifest. I can't just tell you that. You have to believe it. So I will see you very soon, and thanks for watching.